Yeah, so this is like the coolest part about working in Unreal is after you finish working on an art project and rendering it out, you can actually just run around with their default character like a video game. I suppose if you're working on a video game, this isn't really a special part of the project, but for me, who's just rendering out images or sequences, this is like a real treat to just run around your art like a game. I'm gonna show you guys all the secrets to this level. Oh, it looks like there's some invisible walls here. There's some collision. I'm assuming from the... Well, it's not from these rocks. It's gotta be from the figure. Let's see where we can go. Just let me get pretty close to her hand. Ooh, it looks like there's some weird texture stretching there on her pinky. But these rocks look great. These are all 3D scanned, mega scans. Let's see. There's like no foliage behind here because you couldn't really see anything. This is just like a whole big blank spot. Let's go up to the top of this hill. I'd play this game even though it's very boring. Just wandering around this level. You can see the floating mountains back there. And there, that's Butt Crack Mountain. This is why making a video game is so tough. Is because you can't have any blank spaces like that. Everything has to be accounted for. Giant foot. This is what the bottom of my feet look like. Here's just like a couple of toes poking out of the rock. I'd like to make a version of this where I could just like jump up on all these rocks and add collision and climb on top of all this, but I don't think that I'll ever do that out of just sheer laziness. Oh, here's my signature that I hide in all of the. Oh, this signature actually came in with collision. You shall not pass. Alright, we're back to the front. Back to the front. Yeah, and then there's nothing back here either. Pretty cool. Oh, looks like there's some LOD issues going on here. Huh. If I face this way, the LOD, or the textures turn off. That's interesting. Anyway, if you guys ever tried this out with any of your projects, let me know in the comments down below. I think it's really fun.